everyone. I'm back to show you my February creative journal. I'm using envelopes that I've had in my stash forever. I have a video up where I made a flip book out of these envelopes. It didn't turn out, but I had all these envelopes, so I might as well use them. All you have to do is really easy. It's just tuck them on in. Just tuck them on in. See how many you like, and they make a page. Once you tuck it in, see one, then you tuck in another one. Either way you want to, which way you want to tuck them in. And the good thing about these is they come with ready-made pockets already. So one, two, and then you just keep tucking how many pages that you want. And then you have to just go back and then just glue stick them down so they won't fall apart while you're working in it. And I'm showing you that you could use one of them as an envelope and make it look like an envelope, or you could just glue that down and then cover it with a piece of paper. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna I guess today just play with the cover and just decorate the cover right quick. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do inside yet, or even with that part. I may keep that as an envelope, as I said, an envelope feature, and then I may not. I may just cover it, and then it'll be just a book. Kind of wouldn't even know that it was an envelope if you cover all the insides too. And I have these leftover bits and bobs and scrap paper from when I did a project last year. Um, I bought that from Michael. So I'm just going to cover the front. This won't be a Valentine's Day journal, but I think the cover will be a Valentine-ish. Not ish. It turns out Valentine-y. Not too much. Just the covers are pink and red. So I'm just going through my scraps to see what I want, and then I'm just going to glue it all down. And I'm not, trying to obsess over it. I'm just going to throw it together. Like I said, when I put together my January one, it might turn out, I might keep it looking just like this, or I may change it. To be honest, the end, it turned out, I added a feature to break up a ribbon to break up the red. And it looked better off camera than it does on. I don't know if I'll keep it. Yeah, I might, because I glued it down with double-sided tape, so more than likely it's down there. Move on. It's okay. Just move on. What am I doing? It's funny when I edit these over. I'm like, what am I doing? I know I get up and walk around and then go find my bag of Valentine's thing. Valentine's decorations and ephemera and things like that. I'm always grabbing the wrong scissors. So I like the ones that make it look like a postage stamp. Now, what I was a little off, but that's okay. It'll be a big border. Like I said, I'm not being too precious on this. I'm not selling this book. It's just so I can play in over the month, and that's that. Okay, both of that was cute, but I used those last year. So this is a daily, not a daily journal. Not a daily journal. I won't be working in it daily. Y'all, my life is ring. So it's no way I could do this daily. Look, we gotta take it one day at a time, and it's boring. But I just wanna just use up my bits and bobs and commemorate some things, or just put down my thoughts or something. And this is where the place will do that at. So what was I getting ready to say? Oh, I should have just put that. It wasn't bad. I like that. Take one day at a time. Once I put it sideways, I like it a little better. Like I said, I'm not trying to be precious with this. I'm just trying to throw something together so I could just have a place to put a couple of memories or my thoughts. Because I have a lot of thoughts, a lot of things I have to work out. So this is a good place where I could get that done. Then I came along and I said, oh, let me break up some of all this red and pink. Oh, I'm looking around. I have this big bag of Valentine's things. See, that's why you really do need to use up your things. But I don't think I use that much in this because I didn't want to go in that direction. A huge Valentine's Day, but I may use it in one page inside. Uh, but I wanted to break up all the pink. And that one, no, I can't use that ribbon. I got that from the Dollar Tree because I already put a vertical lines. Then I put and this doesn't look bad, but I felt it took it in another direction. Actually, I hate that when you look at it through the viewfinder or you're editing and you're like, that doesn't look that bad. Now up close, that was too, you know, it was becoming too fancy with that. Now through this, it doesn't look that bad. Looking at it through the viewfinder doesn't look that fancy. And then, ooh, and then I found, y'all, how long have I had all this trim? Oh, and then I'm trying to find which piece works best, and none of it, none of it, none of it. See, and I looked at it again, and now I like that. Now that I'm looking through this viewfinder, I like it. But what I put up, I don't know if it looked better in person than it looks in here, but I don't know. It just kind of looks plain. Then I'm like, should I take the rest? Should I write? No. Now I had some ribbon in these bins, but I don't feel like lifting them out. So I choose this. It breaks it up. It does break it up. But I think it looks better in person than it does uh, here. But it goes down. You'll see in a few minutes. I'm going to tag it down. Will it stay like that all month long? Who knows? I might just put the white braided trim that you see to the left back up there. Because I don't know if I'm going to like it. Oh, well. Here it goes. Get ready to go down. Ah, doesn't look that bad. It's really, I'm more concerned about the inside of the journal than what's on the outside. I may add something to it. We'll see. I just wanted to break up um, all the red and the pink because it was making my teeth hurt. It's so sweet. It was making my teeth hurt. No, I guess I wasn't in a sweet mood. Yeah. It don't look that bad. Yeah, because it didn't look bad uh, when I was putting it down. It looked better in person, though. And there we are. Take one day at a time. And then I think I showed, see, it comes apart. So you have to come back, and when you figure out how many pages you want, come back and glue stick the pages together. Not glue stick them together. Just run some glue along the outside. You'll see me do it. And just tuck it in there. Now, if you think you're gonna need some time to move it around, add a little bead of, I mean, not add a bead, but along the line add wet glue, then you can reposition it. But this goes in, it it doesn't stick to where I doesn't want it. It just goes in just fine. And so you'll see. So there we are. Yeah. And then tack it down. There you have it. I'm going to leave the outside flap out for right now because I don't know if I want to what I want to do with that yet. I probably will glue it down because that's the back. And I don't know if I'm going to make it look like an envelope at the end on that side, decorate it where it would look like an envelope, or cover it with a sheet of paper. Turns out okay. Yeah, I like how it turns out. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. So that's fine. And then I have if I want some envelopes, not envelopes, pockets, there's built-in pockets. So, or I could just cover it all up and you wouldn't even know the pockets were there. And if you made it this far, put a wave emoji, or you already put heart emojis for Valentine's Day, or so to put a wave emoji, a heart emoji, and I will talk to you later. Bye.